This is your total stock removal amount. 500 thousandths, 400 thousandths. We can change that to whatever we want. These are the increments. 1 thousandths, 2 thousandths. We can change that to whatever we want. This is the finish amount that will be left. 2 thousandths will be left on to finish. Again, we can change that as well to whatever we want. These are the increments for the finish, 5, 10 thousandths. Spark out times 2, we can change that to 3, 4, whatever we want. That's the wheel retract. The wheel will retract 1.6 inches, 2.6 inches, 2.5 inches. We can make it whatever we want. This is where the grinding wheel will only feed down on the left. This one, it will feed down on the left and the right, left, right, and this one only on the right. This is our hydraulic dresser. We can speed up or slow down how fast the dresser travels across the wheel.
We have not talked to. We have not talked to Chris.
Oh, yeah.
We haven't talked to him today. Long way.